Many partners say, why do your products have so many styles? Is it necessary to do those innovative products? Yes, different from the peers, we pay great attention to innovation and design. Because we know that in addition to adhering to quality, progress, and innovation are also necessary, we believe that innovation will bring unlimited possibilities to the enterprise in the future. In a diversified world environment, there must be more kinds of cutlery styles waiting for us to design and develop. So, Greenwood has always had a professional proofing room. In addition to customized proofing according to different customers' ideas, our design team will also develop many convenient and innovative products according to the needs of different eating scenarios. For example, the detachable wooden fork of Greenwood, as well as the 2-in-1 style of fruit fork and wooden fork, can meet the matching use requirements of small pudding and jelly sold in supermarkets. For example, the design of knife and fork combination clip also broadens the operation possibilities brought to us by knife and fork during eating, making eating easier. Greenwood has always been committed to the field of innovative design, in order to provide more possibilities for the large market of environmentally friendly cutlery. We hope that eco-friendly cutlery can be used in more scenarios, so that our world can gradually get rid of the dilemma of single-use plastic pollution.